Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we are going to be doing a little unboxing of the Akko 3068 Tokyo World Tour Edition keyboard. So as you can see, this keyboard is super adorable and I've been waiting for this to come in the mail for a couple of weeks and I'm super excited. So let's open it up and take a look inside and see how it looks. Okay. So we've got it open and you can see it's in some nice packaging and we already have a preview of the actual keyboard. Now when we take it out, we have a key remover which has a cute little kitty paw. We have some extra keys which you can see have cute little prints on it. We have the actual keyboard and we have a USB if we do not want to use the keyboard wireless. Here is a preview of our keys. Now there's lots of different ones that we can use. I've already replaced the enter key with this cute little, is it a koi fish? I think it might be a koi fish. Don't hold me to that. I think it might be it. And here is a full overview of the keyboard. I've got it plugged in now and you can see that it has a beautiful spacebar. There's a lot of other different keys on it. You can see there's the koi that I replaced, but we have a blossom. We've got lots of different things going on and it's just a really, really beautiful keyboard and I'm super impressed with it. So you can see I'm also just doing a quick little overview. I've also changed the escape key to a little bonsai tree. And this is pretty much what it looks like up close. And that is it for this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to do a little quick preview of this keyboard because I'm literally so excited about it. It's seriously my new favorite thing. But I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you guys next time.